A promissory note is drawn by debtor. Reserves which are not available for distribution as dividend are known as capital reserve. Purchase of office furniture was debited to purchase account. This is example of which type of error? Error of principle. Income tax paid by a sole proprietor on his business. Income should be deducted from capital in balance sheet. When goods are returned to the supplier, which document is sent to him? Debit note. If opening stock is rupees 4,000, cost of purchase is rupees 14,000 and the cost of goods sold is rupees 12,000, find out the value of closing stock. Rupees 6,000. Legacies are generally capitalized and taken in balance sheet. In which method of pricing, stock is valued at current selling price less estimated profit margin and less the estimated cost of disposal. Adjusted selling price method. The total sales of a trader during a given period is known as turnover. Excess of purchase price over selling price is gross loss. If the firm's capital is rupees 10,000, liabilities are rupees 2,000, then the total assets of the firm will be rupees 12,000. Preliminary expense is an example of which type of assets? Fictitious assets. Voyage accounts include both income earned and expenditure incurred. Pay Mr. Kumar or order. This is an example of which type of endorsement? Special endorsement. The system where control accounts are kept as memorandum accounts and do not form part of double entry is known as sectional balancing. Renewal fee for patents is an example of which type of expenditure? Capital expenditure. Sola of Exchange appearing on a bill of exchange means that bills have not been drawn in a set. The best method of keeping petty cash is known as imprest system. Accountants treat a business as distinct from the persons who own it. This concept termed as business entity concept. Retained earning is a liability to the company. The accounting practices should remain the same from one year to another as per convention of consistency. The asset which constantly change in the value through transaction that are entered into are called floating assets.